Yeah, Sanbonani. So, yeah, what a beautiful goal. First of all, I just want to speak about the beautiful goal, the Lila to the Korwa, the one and only. TLP Mtanami, Ikanga Pambili. Even though, like, the boy today I was kind of tested somehow, if like he didn't score this goal, hey, there were going to be a lot of humiliation rumors where they were roaming around in public, in on social media, not in public, on social media very well, because everything very lately is just about social media, about the market, wara available. So it was an interesting game, especially on the boys' side, because it was first time. I believe so. It was first time available. The boy was being tested, and somehow was tested by one of our players available, which I don't think ukuthi they have that huge of equality available one Christian said, but the only thing I know one said in pace available, but the rest of the things, especially from like side Lambert, even though like he was one of my favorite players, but it is the player that every time when I'm asking for him to just like prove me wrong, prove me right, about he just like do the other thing way around. And today it was interesting for seeing him having a proper shot where about taking about to sail, and yeah, he kind of gave like the boy a lot of problems where about today. There was a time till piece bola sakale phansi yabo, but ugcine seka asishinile vele somehow into ugcine seka asishinile vele with what he actually did, which is I think this is actually a goal of the tournament. Where I don't think there will be any other goal which will beat this one, because it was a thing. Let me actually explain to you all what was actually happening there. It's a TV room. Utiel Piangas from a sense push we'll push ball and we'll shy. Lingen in 18. Nobody celebrated. Orlando Pirates fans, nobody celebrated. I was like, okay, what is actually happening right now? Did they actually foul somebody or what? Nah, the boy actually like scored, which is actually mad. Yeah, well, and then people started to celebrate after, because I was like, wow, like as much as like I'm a hate watch and as much as like I'm a hate watch and but I was just like clapping hands. I was like, nah, that is something else really. Well, I don't know, like if it was like look for show some like Lina, if we're being honest. So yeah, let me actually get to the match. So on the match, yeah, it was kind of an interesting match. Like a match could have been won by any team if we're being honest. It was in one of those matches where we see like Pirates is actually dominating or they are being dominated, but lately we don't see them being dominated we don't see them being dominated so it was just an ugly win from like you said, like the Pirates, and they could have like lost this match very bad, because like Swell actually had like opportunities like amaning about they were actually having this thing which I was talking about on the previous video where Kaizer Chiefs against Into, which the against Amazulu. You go see if like have like players, the attackers, they are more than it defense available, and it is actually counter attack. Well, it all depends about the player little pet which is a player also found out on a position of an attacking midfielder, and on today's match, it was the one and only available Mpontane, one of the players available that's actually what is actually happening. One of the players available that actually has like my support about the one of the players within a support a buyer. So yeah, Mpontane could have like won this match for like Swelele, because there were many chances of Mela release ball early. There were many chances where he was supposed to give a right pass. There were many chances where he was just supposed to do the right thing, but like the boy couldn't do the right thing. And also this was going to be one of the matches that was going to kill actually Mahoba is it me Mahoba striker very sepani, because the guy actually like missed the penalty, just to show who's like penalty can be missed by anybody. And I'm not the type of a person who will actually hate. I will criticize obvious how you take the penalty, but I wouldn't be actually be hating on a player and using my person, but like nah, in you made the team lose in, because like it is just a 50-50 thing. Like penalty like I mean this has been scored by one of the greatest soccer players on earth, Lionel Messi, Ronaldo, and also like it has been missed available by like Messi is like the greatest player of all time. So like if you Mr. Messi, who is not gonna like miss the penalty, because there's no like any player, mention any one player okay like wakora like ama-penalties wonke kwi-career yakhe that's a level awathatha but you won't even be able available to even mention one. So yeah, we can't actually bash him on that, but also like this is a type of match which is actually crucial. It is not the type of match which like you're gonna be redeeming yourself over and over and over and over again, just like we league about. This is actually like a cup. It is like a do or you die. If like they lost this match, it was gonna be a tough season available for like Kumahopa, because that means like like a cup which has been a cup pirating and perform Golo for the longest time. I think the last time, I'm not sure, but I think the last time Orlando Pirates actually won this cup, it was in 2000. It was on 2008, which is mad business. By then I was actually 2 years ago. So yeah, they actually need this cup. And one thing if like Siwelele actually won to, I was gonna be like, nah, they are definitely gonna win like the tournament, because lately on history of like Iparani yabo, it is a thing with each Goma camp composition is that the team labor shayo itata into a cup. Like for example, last season Bashawi in course Nedbank Cup and then they took a cup course Bashawa Pyramid we Champions League, and then Pyramid took a cup. Bashawa into Imagesi, and then Magesi took a cup and the rest of the competitions about Lama team Lawa over the rest was like Sabaileba win. I think for the last 3 years, yeah, I think 3 years available from sure. Yeah, I think for the last 3 years available, it has been like that. And also like this is a cup available. Pirates hasn't been doing actually well, because the last time they lost on the final, it was against Baroka on that season where Baroka was just like Moshe Wanama plans available. So yeah, they don't actually have a good run, because somehow they even lost finals 8 available competition, and they are the only team as a loser finals amaning competition, which means it is a team it was very fair finals. But when it comes to this cup competition, it's gonna be an interesting one available. Maybe they're gonna be going to open new chapter. And this is a cup, by the way, people like South Africa available. It is not a cup of Figuti Kaizer Chiefs. It is not a cup of Figuti Orlando Pirates or the Mamelodi Sundowns, but it is a cup just for these other clubs available. But obviously you are always looking for like the big three available to the or something. But yeah, we're gonna be seeing. I hope because it's a winner tomorrow, and I hope Sundowns, they're gonna be good luck to them, because I can't even watch very much because like I'm a busy. And I just wanna say something. My team, by the way, won today, the world champions. So that's those are one of the great news where I just wanted to mention. And then yeah, my man of the match today, I'd give it to Telepi with a stunning goal available. And then yeah, man, it was an interesting match. I'm actually tired right now, so I love you all. Let's get to 1K. I'm signed about too. Thank God.